Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from
Group 3.
Group 3. Would like to present our presentation. My name is Olivia Straningrum.
My name is Aprilia Restanti.
My name is Nurwaini Putri.
Our main is total physical response. I will be the first to present it. Background for total physical response is a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical or motor activity. Developed by James Asher, a professor of psychology at San Jose State University, California, it draws on several traditions, including developmental psychology, learning theory, and humanistic pedagogy, as well as on language teaching procedures proposed by Harold and Dorothy Palmer in 1925. The second is approach, theory of language and learning. TPR, or total physical response, reflects a grammar based on view of language. Asher states that most of the grammatical structure of the target language and hundreds of vocabulary items can be learned from the skillful use of the imperative by instructor. TPR can also be linked to the trace theory of memory in psychology, which holds that the more often or the more intensively memory connection is traced, the stronger the memory association will be, and the more likely it will be recalled.
And Asher has elaborated an account of what he feels facilitates or inhibits foreign language learning. In this dimension of his learning theory, he draws on three rather influential learning hypotheses. First, there exists a specific innate bio program for language learning, which defines an optimal path for first and second language development. Second, brain lateralization defines different learning functions in the left and right brain hemispheres. And the third is stress, an effective filter. Interference between the act of learning and what is to be learned. The lower the stress, the greater the learning. The bio program. Asher's total physical response is a natural method in as much as Asher sees first and second language learning as parallel processes. Asher sees three processes as essential. First is children develop listening competence. Before they develop the ability to speak, at the early stage of first language acquisition, they can understand complex utterances that they cannot spontaneously produce or imitate. Second, children's ability in listening comprehension is acquired because children are required to respond physically to spoken language in the form of parental commands. And the third is, once a foundation in listening comprehension has been established, speech evolves naturally and effortlessly out of it.
Next one is brain lateralization. S sees total physical response as directed to right brain learning, whereas most second language teaching methods are directed to the left brain learning. Drawing and work by Jean Piaget as holds that the child language learner acquires language through motor movement, a right hemisphere activity must occur before the left hemisphere can process language for production. And the next one is reduction of stress. An important condition for successful language learning is the absence of stress. First language acquisition takes place in stress-free environment according to the age, whereas the adult language learning environment often causes considerable stress and anxiety. The key to stress-free learning is to tap into the natural bioprogram for language development and thus to recapture the relaxed and pleasurable experience that accompany the first language learning. I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.